goodness, what a beautiful day. Here, I got my umbrella up. It's pretty nice and hot now. When I went to church today, it was a little bit chilly, around 8 o'clock, but it went up. Temperature's a little bit higher now. I actually fell asleep. It was a little bit kind of different weather. And now I'm up and sitting out here. It's nice and warm Sunday. And this is really my favorite spot. Green. Daming green. Spring na talaga. Malapit ng it's June is in 2 days. Wow. It's gonna be summer pretty soon. The neighbor is working on something right now inside. Here's my Daisy. I think Daddy forgot to bring her back inside, but she always liked to be outside. She suntan. She lay under the sun. She just like that. That's my Daisy. That's my beautiful Daisy. This is my first baby. Yeah. She's overprotective. Very overprotective. I just want to look outside my yard. Trying to watch the birds. We got a lot of birds stuff right now. Hubby just went and bought some bunch of bird stuff from supposed to be 92 tomorrow. 92 degrees. Tomorrow. Supposed to turn on the air conditioner already. Here's the honeysuckle. See? It's slowly replacing my book walls. See, this is how it looks like when it's starting to die out. And that will stay. Those balls, little thing here, will be in there. Those are the seeds. It will dry out, but this little part here, the balloon, the ball part of it, it still will stick together, and I can just take the whole thing, including the stem, and then make a flower arrangement with that. That's what how beautiful it is. Next year I'm gonna get a different color of honeysuckles. They usually have some kind of pink. This one's a little orange. So next time I'll have something else, different colors. There's some more here. Look at all these ferns. Here's some more. Yeah, not much birds yet. I don't think they know that it's out here. All the feeders. Oh, here's some birds. I see some birds. The grapes are starting to blossoms. I can see a lot of little tiny fruit coming out already. So, garden, yeah, here's some hummingbirds and oriole feeder. Yeah, I got some talong and kamatis, beans. There's some onions there. Got some garlic, I think. I know this is garlic here. I don't usually pick them when it's small, so the following year I can see there's more of them growing. So that's what's been happening. There's only a couple of them that I planted there the first time, but then they grow. Yeah, I don't care if I don't have to go anywhere. I can just stay in my backyard. It's just relaxing. Later on, magluto ko bulad. Dana magluto ko bulad. Anang gagmay nga bulad bitaw, danggit. Muna akong lutuon. Magluto ko. Magkaon ko dinis gawas. Kay akong hobby, dili gusto makasimhot anang bahok nga bulad. So, ang akong buhat, magluto ko sa gawas. Aron ang mga silingan ra makabaho. Kasimhot ang bahok nga bulad. So, muna akong gibuhat. Muna akong buhaton kung magluto ko bulad. Kaya nga akong bana, di man siya gusto nga magluto ko sa sulod sa balay good. Kay bahuan siya sa bulad ba. Yung mabaho talaga yung bulad na paglutuin mo sa silid ng bahay. Kahit ano pang gagawin ko, kahit i-wash ko pa yun all the way through, wala ng asin ng yung bulad. Mabaho, mabango pa din, mabaho. So yun, ang asawa ko hindi talaga niya gusto. So yun ang ginawa ko, sa labas ko lutuin. Pretend ako na mag burn sa yung mga dahon. Para ang neighbors lang maka simhot ba. So mauna nga relax lang ba, relaxing lang ko dere. It's just simple life. It's just the way I want it. So I'm watching the birds. I'll see if they'll come out here and eat some. See if they'll come and eat some of the food. They have all that. They have all that stuff to eat, and they're not here yet. Yun. Sabi ng asawa ko, may isang hummingbird nakakita na. Pero umalis ka agad. So siguro baka babalik yun later. Ang daming juice para sa hummingbird at saka Orioles. That is a black walnut. I don't like it at all. They make too much mess in my garden and in my yard. And then the squirrel dig into my garden or anywhere and ruin my plants. I just find them all dug up, I mean. So I don't like it. Buti na lang hindi na masyado malaki yung part ng kahoy na yun, kasi noon ang niya talagang dito lahat sa yard namin. just transferring or putting the sweet potato leaves together, okay? I'm transplanting. Ang dami pa dito, oh. Yeah. You know, water some plant. It's nice out here, honey, huh? Very nice. Okay, bye for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Here's Gabby. 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 My baby. Daisy, where are you? Oh, here's Daisy. Here's my Daisy. Here's Gabby. Gabby. Gabby, see mommy. Hello. Here's my beautiful puppies. Here's my beautiful babies. Look at her. Look at them. Daisy. Daisy, you silly girl. Daisy. Daisy. Where is Gabby? Gabby, get away from my garden. Gabby. Stay out of there. Uy. Don't be looking for the bunnies now. No bunnies. Uy. What are you doing in there? What are you doing in there? Get away from my garden. That's my Daisy. She's got a little lump in her neck there and around her leg. She's getting old. Ah, here comes Gabby. Gabby. You silly girls. You guys. Oh, you like it out here, aren't you? You like it just like mommy. Yeah, there we go. Oh, silly goose. Look at you. mm. Mm. You silly girls. Go play. Go play. You guys go play. Oh, look at her. Daisy. Look at her. Look at her. She's being goofy. Oh, what are you doing? What are you scooting? Yeah, silly girls. What are you doing? Yeah, here we go. Look at these puppies. Look at them. Yeah. Daisy used to run away every time I have a camera. I don't think she knows I was taking a picture of her. She usually run away and hide. Wee! Wee! They're like to be outside. Yeah. These girls. I love you girls. Yeah, you're getting old. You're getting